Hello friends, today we will learn aldol condensation. This aldol condensation reaction is a very important reaction from examination point of view. So let's learn about this aldol condensation reaction. Aldol condensation occurs in aldehyde having alpha hydrogen with the dilute base to give beta hydroxyaldehyde called as aldols. This reaction is most commonly known as aldol condensation. If the condensation reaction occurs between two different carbonyl compounds, it is called as cross-aldol condensation. So, the aldol condensation can be defined as an organic reaction in which enolate ion reacts with a carbonyl compound to form a beta hydroxyketone or beta hydroxyaldehyde, followed by dehydration to give a conjugated enol. This aldol condensation plays a vital role in organic synthesis, creating a path to form carbon-carbon bonds. Now, we'll see how the carbon-carbon bond forms with the help of this aldol condensation. This is a general overview of aldol condensation reaction. This is a one molecule of acetaldehyde. This is a second molecule of acetaldehyde. When it reacts with this OH negative, that is a molecule from base, it will give you this 3-hydroxybutanol molecule, which is an intermediate in this aldol condensation. This again reacts with the base OH negative to produce this alpha beta unsaturated product, that is but-2-enol. Why it is known as alpha beta unsaturated ketone? Because at alpha and beta position there is a presence of double bond, which indicates the unsaturation here. And adjacent to this alpha beta unsaturation, there is a carbonyl group present. Therefore, it is known as alpha beta unsaturated ketone or alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Now, there are two types of mechanism by which aldol condensation takes place. First is a base catalyzed aldol condensation, and the second one is acid catalyzed aldol condensation. We will see them one by one. In base catalyzed aldol condensation and acid catalyzed aldol condensation, two types of intermediates are important. They are an enolate form of the acetone or aldehyde and enol form of acetone or aldehyde. Here I have shown the enolate form and enol form of acetone, which is a ketone. This is an enolate form of a ketone and this is an enol form of a ketone. Now, base catalyzed aldol condensation. One of the most common example for base catalyzed aldol condensation is stated below, in which catalyst generally used is hydroxide ion. That is, NaOH we are using here as a base. This is a molecule of acetaldehyde. When it reacts with NaOH, which is a base, it will give you an alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde as a product. Now step 1 of this base catalyzed aldol condensation reaction. As you can see here, this is an acetaldehyde molecule with 3 alpha protons. This is the first alpha proton, this is the second alpha proton, and this is the third alpha proton. As we all know that base have a capacity to abstract alpha protons, so in the very first step of this base catalyzed aldol condensation, this base abstracts this alpha proton to produce this carbon ion. In step 2, what happens? This carbon ion, that is the one molecule of acetaldehyde, it attacks the carbon atom of another acetaldehyde molecule, that is, it attacks on the carbonyl carbon of the another molecule of acetaldehyde. When it attacks, it gives you this gives you this product. In the third step, alkoxide ion, which we have got in the step 2, it is protonated by water. How it is protonated is shown here. This is a water molecule. It has a proton, and this is an alkoxide ion which we have got in step 2. This alkoxide ion, that O negative, abstract this proton from water molecule and it get protonated here in this step 3. Now step 4. A small amount of aldol is converted into enolate ion, that is PO, by hydroxide ion. Now how it happens? This is a molecule which we have got in the step 3. This is a molecule of a base. This base abstracts this proton and here C negative is there. This product we will got in the step 4 of this base catalyzed aldol condensation. This is step 5. Here enolate ion 4 loses a hydroxide ion. This is an enolate ion which we have got in step 4. It will shift it, the negative charge will shift here so as to produce the double bond, and when there is a double bond the valency of this carbon atom get disturbed, so that this OH negative leaves. So in the last step, that is step 4 and 5, this step corresponds to the dehydration, that is removal of water molecule, and it will produce a final product, that is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Now acid catalyzed aldol condensation. In step 1 of this acid catalyzed aldol condensation, the acid, that is Ha, it is the acid, acts as a proton donor and activates the carbonyl oxygen into a protonated form. So this acid protonates this carbonyl group and will get the intermediate one. Now intermediate one again reacts with the negative part of the acid and it produces an enol intermediate. In the third step, the conjugation of enol, that is intermediate 2, with another molecule of activated carbonyl compound, that is intermediate 1, to produce the aldol. So these two molecules reacts with each other to form this aldol or ketol. The product is called as aldol when two aldehyde molecules are involved, and the product is called as ketol when two ketone molecules are involved. This aldol or ketol here in the step 3. Now in step 4, the aldol or ketol undergoes spontaneous dehydration due to base catalyzed dehydration to yield the alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or alpha beta unsaturated ketone. Now how the dehydration takes place, you can see here, this H leaves and there is a formation of double bond between these two carbon atoms, this and this, and simultaneously this OH also leaves. So H2O is removed, that is dehydration, and we'll get this alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or ketone here. Now crossed aldol condensation. The crossed aldol condensation between Now this is crossed aldol condensation. The condensation reaction which occurs between two different molecules of aldehyde or ketone in a protic solvent such as water or alcohol constitutes the crossed aldol reaction. When condensation is between two different carbonyl compounds, it is called as crossed aldol condensation. When both the aldehydes have alpha hydrogen, both can form carbanions and can also act as carbanion acceptor. Hence, a mixture of four products is formed which has a little synthetic value. If one of the aldehyde has no alpha hydrogen, then it can act only as a carbanion acceptor. In such cases, only two products are formed. A common substrate for the crossed aldol reaction is an aromatic aldehyde which has no alpha position. Furthermore, the dehydration of the initial condensation product is rapid, which leads to the formation of the alpha beta unsaturated ketone and prevents the retro aldol reaction from taking place. Now, this is an overview of crossed aldol reaction. Here, this is a aldehyde molecule which has no alpha proton, and this is an acetaldehyde molecule which has 3 alpha protons. These are the 3 alpha protons. Here in the first molecule, you can see all the 3 hydrogens are replaced by R, that is any alkyl group, so that there is no alpha hydrogen present. When this aldehyde with no alpha hydrogen and this aldehyde with 3 alpha hydrogens reacts with each other in presence of base, it will give you the crossed product. In the second reaction, both the products are having alpha hydrogens. In presence of base, we'll get the simple product. This is the mechanism of crossed aldol reaction. The mechanism is same as that of aldol reaction. The molecule of a base abstract the alpha proton to create an enolate ion. This enolate ion attacks the second molecule of aldehyde, that is benzaldehyde here. It will form an alkoxide ion, and when the alkoxide ion reacts with water molecule, it gets protonated. So we will get this product. And when the dehydration takes place from this group, and will get alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Now, as I have told you that this aldol condensation reaction is very important from examination point of view. You can see here some questions from IIT JEE and GATE exam. The very first question is from IIT JEE Screening 2001 exam. The question is, a mixture of benzaldehyde and formaldehyde on heating with aqueous NaOH solution gives the product. You have to identify the product which is obtained by the reaction of benzaldehyde and formaldehyde with the aqueous NaOH. Here aqueous NaOH act as a base. So here the mechanism is base catalyzed aldol condensation. Now it is an simple aldol reaction or crossed aldol reaction. You can identify by the name of the aldehyde. Like this is a benzaldehyde molecule which doesn't have any alpha proton, and this is a formaldehyde molecule which also doesn't have any alpha proton. So here the answer is A, that the product of this reaction are benzyl alcohol and sodium formate. This is the reaction of crossed aldol reaction which takes place between the benzaldehyde and formaldehyde to give benzyl alcohol and sodium formate. This is a benzaldehyde molecule. This is a formaldehyde molecule. In presence of base, it will give benzyl alcohol and sodium formate. This is another question which is from JEE Main 2012. Here the question is, the number of aldol reactions that occurs in a given transformation is. Here the reactants are acetaldehyde molecule and 4 molecules of formaldehyde. When they reacts with aqueous NaOH as a base, it will give this product. Now you have to identify the number of aldol reactions or aldol condensations occurs to produce this product. So this acetaldehyde molecule reacts with first molecule of formaldehyde. In presence of base, it will give you this product. In the second aldol condensation reaction, another molecule of a base reacts with this product which we have got from the first aldol condensation, and will give the product, this product. This is the third aldol condensation reaction when we'll get this product, and at last in presence of base and another molecule of that fourth molecule of formaldehyde, Cannizzaro reaction will take place and will get this product. So the answer here is this C, that is 3 aldol condensation reactions occur. Now this is the third question. This is from GATE 2012. The question is, in the reaction, that is the reaction of this aldehyde molecule with this KOH, ETOH act as a base, which product is obtained? You have given the option for the product. So here this A is the answer. How this A is formed by this reaction we'll see in the next slide. This is the solution, that this is the aldehyde which is given in this question. Firstly, the base abstract this proton and will create this enolate ion. Here you can see, as one enolate ion from one molecule, it can react with the carbonyl group of the another molecule as we have seen in the last slides. Here the mechanism is different. Here two carbonyl groups are present within the same molecule. That's why it is known as intramolecular molecular aldol reaction. Here enolate ion is formed on this group, and there is the presence of another aldehyde group here. This enolate ion reacts with this aldehyde group which is present within the same molecule, and it will produce this 5-membered cyclic enolate ion. In presence of water molecule, this enolate ion get protonated, and after dehydration it will give this product. These are the references which I have used for the content of today's presentation. So thank you, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.